Hello Rocketeers! Today's activity, you're going to look for different objects around your house and you're going to gather them up and you're going to put the objects in order from the shortest to longest. So I want you to pause the video, stop the video, and look around your house, not the classroom, your house, and look for different things. Maybe a spoon, maybe your pencil, eraser, paper, anything that you could find, so that you could put them in order from the shortest to longest. Let's begin. Here are all the different objects I was able to find from my own house. I want to make sure when I put them in order from shortest to longest, I want to make sure I start right at the same end point right over here. So let's begin. I know that my dot cube is shorter than my clip. So I'm going to write that. My dot cube is shorter than my clip. And a period. So here's my sentence. My dot cube is shorter than my clip. Okay. And how about this? My pointer is longer than the easy cheese. So I could write that. My pointer is longer than my easy cheese. Period. So what you could do is you could start recording what you found that are longer than or shorter than what you were able to find. So now I'd like for you to try writing your sentences now. Okay, Rocketeers, so today I'm going to show you 2 videos about comparing lengths. Enjoy the videos!
What is length? Length is the distance between the beginning and the end of something. Imagine you're getting dressed in the morning. You have 3 pairs of pants. 1 pair drags on the ground when you wear them. 1 pair is too small and shows your socks and legs. 1 pair is just right. How do you know which one is which? The pair of pants that is too small is the shortest. Shortest means that it's not as long as anything else being measured or compared. The pair of pants that drags on the ground is the longest. The longest thing in a group has the biggest length. That leaves the pair that fits in the middle. You can put objects in order according to length. Let's compare the length of these pencils. Mary, Mike, and John have one pencil each. Mary uses her pencil a lot and needs to sharpen it several times. Mike uses his more times and sharpens it more. And John doesn't sharpen his at all. We'll compare lengths to learn which pencil is longer than the others. Let's compare the pencils. Which one is longest? Which pencil is shortest? Now, we can put the pencils in order, from shortest to longest, or from longest to shortest. Let's put these pencils in order, from shortest to longest. Mike's pencil is shortest, so it comes first. Which pencil comes next? Mary's pencil comes next. Its length is in the middle, so we will put it in the middle. That leaves John's pencil. It's the longest. Your pencils are now organized from shortest to longest. Sometimes you may not be able to compare lengths easily. In that case, you can use another object to help you compare lengths. Let's compare these baseball bats. How can we compare them without measuring with a ruler? We can use another object to compare, like this stick. We can compare the length of each bat with the length of the stick to see which is longer. Which one do you think is longer? Let's compare. First, we'll compare the yellow bat. Which is longer, the stick or the bat? Now, we'll compare the blue bat and the stick. Which is longer? If the yellow bat is longer than the stick and the blue bat is shorter than the stick, which bat is longer? Is that the baseball bat you thought was longest? When things aren't right next to each other, it can make them look longer or shorter than they really are. So, when comparing length, you can put objects in order, from longest to shortest, or shortest to longest. You can also use one object to compare the lengths of two other objects.
We are the women and men of measurement. If there's a distance, we find the length of it. We know we can always put 12 inches inside a foot, and 1 yard just won't be complete if it does not contain 3 feet.
1 inch is what you got if you're looking at the top of a bottle of pop.
On your thumb is about 1 inch from your knuckle to your fingertip. We are the women and men of measurement. If there's a distance, we find the length of it.
The length of the folder where your work is put measures out to just 1 foot.
You'll find a foot if you look at the height of the parrot on my hook.
Yar. A football field has 100 marks. Each one is a yard apart.
At the plate with a softball bat, a yard is about what you're looking at.
Open your fingers a pinch and make an inch. Then make your hands look just like a foot. Put them 3 times as far and make a yard. Now we know how long they are. We are the women and men of measurement. If there's a distance, we find the length of it.
Don't forget to comment with your name and a photo of your objects. Have fun!